Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Adreno TFT LCD Touchscreen GSM mobile phone. So in this project we are using an Adreno Uno R3 2.4-inch TFT LCD touchscreen display module and a GSM SIM 800L and adapter power source or 9 volts battery power source. Applications are bank locker or door lock, door calling bell. Like any application you can use this project. So let us coming into the hardware module. So here we are using 2.4-inch TFT LCD touchscreen. So we are using different modules. So one for 9325 driver. Okay. So I'll show different and here is 9341. So every touchscreen having their own driver. So 9 volts battery, GSM SIM 800L. Okay, so here I'm using Idea SIM card. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, any SIM card you can use. SIM 800L. And this is mic. You can speak to any other person. Speaker, TFT touchscreen, and Arduino Uno R3 board. So here Arduino Uno R3 board and TFT touchscreen 2.4-inch. So here RD, RST, CS, chip select, register select, Debra, read write. So those are connected with A4, A2, A1, A0. And here 12 and 11 it is connected with the GSM module. Now I am giving the power supply. So now LCD 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 star 0 hash send clear and halt. Okay, so now clear, reset. So now I'm calling to this mobile number 7 8 4 2 3 5 8 4 5 9. Sorry, clear 9, calling 7 8 4 2 3 5 8 4 5 9. Project sim. If you want to talk, if you lift the phone you can speak with the mic and the speaker. I am going to halt means it's disconnected. So now I'm calling to another mobile. Reset. Sorry. So we are using two modules. One is 9325 driver and 9341 driver. 772977293762772 7729873 This is my another mobile phone. I am calling to this mobile. Project Idea SIM. Hello? 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 It is coming. Okay, so I will go for this module 9325. So this is another module 9325. Now I am calling to this mobile number. So 7842358459, 7842358459, and this is a different ID 9341. Whenever we are going to purchase any TFT module, so first we need to check the ID of the driver ID. When the driver ID is perfect, we can do any of the project. But if the driver is different, so we will face lot of problems. Okay, so I have a 3 touch screen modules. So different project I am doing. So this is only for the bank locker security system purpose. I did this project. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 *0#. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.